We are drawing a meerkat today. It is Sunday, May 4th at 7:40 in the morning. The Creating a Coloring Book African Critters Volume 3 is in progress. We are continuing on, and here we're getting straight into the drawing. So if you've been watching my previous videos, I am penciling in a majority of each drawing because I'm not confident in my ability to go straight to ink. I don't know when that'll be, so if you want to follow along through all my videos or upcoming videos and see when I attempt it, it's going to be not too awfully soon, but I am throwing down ink on some aspects of the picture just to get used to doing it, because I know it's not nerve-wracking like driving a train, but it gets me a little bit, because once you put the ink down, unless you can correct your mistake and incorporate it into the drawing, it's kind of hard to do. I selected the meerkat because my daughter Mackenzie mentioned she likes them, and I do too. They're cute. So I have two of them in this one popping out of a hole, the other one standing at attention, ready to call out or jump in the hole also. A lot of erasing on this one, and then when I inked it, I had to go back through and erase some pencil marks I didn't go over quite thoroughly enough. Your eraser is your best friend, and never forget that. So I do draw light enough to not make everything permanent on the penciling. So I'm still using my 2B pencil by Staedtler. Is it? No. Yeah. That's a Mars Lumograph. And the pen I'm using for the majority of the outside highlights are the Staedtler Pigment Liner 1.0. And then for some of the finer details, I use the Micron 5. So that's what I'm using there. Now my paper I'm drawing on is 103 pound paper, because I erase. I don't want to tear through the paper when I'm doing that. And like right here, we're filling in some of the details, and in between some of the inking, I do let it dry so that I don't smear. The pens are really quick drying, but I get a little too anxious and don't do the right thing and wait just a few seconds longer, and then I get a little smear. I've got to correct digitally once I scan it in to go into the coloring book. It came out all right. I'm happy with it, and I put some little grass, little rock, a bunch of little rocks coming out where he's dug a hole, and of course got the sun. And here's my final drawing. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and thank you.